Hey y'all, it's your favorite library buddy, Mr. E, and today we are making these upcycled flowers from recycled materials because, you know, we love the earth and we're trying to reuse, reduce, recycle. So choose whatever you want to recycle, what kind of paper. It could be ads, magazines. You're gonna need a scissor as well. Also glue gun. You could also use just regular glue. Oops. Don't go. And then you're gonna need a stick. Okay, well, let's get started. First step is to cut a bunch of circles, 15 of them to be exact. It would probably help to have something to use to outline and make that circle around whatever paper you're using. And then just cut out a bunch of them, 15 to be exact. You want them to be all the same size, so yeah, just use the same pattern. And like I said, cut a bunch, because we're gonna make a bunch of flowers, and each flower is gonna require 15 of these circles. So again, it's one of those crafts that's gonna take time, so you gotta be patient with this one and take your time. So I will use the same side, so that same shade of brown, so that my flower will look uniform throughout. Then just fold the circle like so, and as you can see here, and then you're gonna make 3 petals out of that slice of triangle. And this is how I do it. You can also just draw the pattern, but once you do it enough, you'll get used to it. So again, once you have 15 of them cut out, now you're gonna fold the tips of each of these leaves. This is gonna take time, so you gotta be patient. I recommend picking an audiobook from Overdrive and putting it on and multitasking, because that's what we do, bestie. Hey, knocking out a craft and also finishing a book. How awesome would that be? I am listening to Dune by Frank Herbert as we speak because the movie's coming out and I want to be able to finish the book before it comes out. Bruh. Back to our project. After you fold all 15 petals, just like so, it's now time to organize them. So start with a flat one and then just pile them all on top, just like this, just like that. And once you have them all organized, it's time to glue them in one by one, and just like that, you have your flower. And then now we're gonna make the stem, because what kind of flower is it with no stem? Bruh. So we're gonna start with half of this brochure and we're gonna roll it into a tube using that stick we had earlier, and that's gonna be the stem of our flower. And again, you can use a glue gun or regular glue. If you don't have one, that's fine too. So just roll it just like this, and that's gonna be your stem. Isn't that easy? Anyway, just roll on top like that. Oops. And then you're gonna glue the flower, obviously, right there on top of it. And I just like using glue gun because it dries faster. But anyway, make a couple of more flowers just like that, and you have your arrangement. And there you go, you have your upcycled flower. Well, bestie, thank you for joining us. And again, this is our upcycled craft with Mr. E. See you next time, and bye for now.